So today I'm going to give myself a haircut, just a little trim, just to take off some of the dead ends. I mean, it needs a proper trim, but yeah, I'm not going to get into my sister's salon until probably after Christmas, so I'm just going to do a bit here, and then hopefully that'll do me till the new year. Okay, let's go. Okay, my hair is going curly, so I need to go and wet my hair again. but I'm going to get my hand mirror just to double check. Don't really want to take any length off it because I like to wear this kind of bouffant. Okay, I'm going to just maybe GHD it a little bit to give it some movement, and then I'll double check it again. There you have it, a DIY trim. Yeah, happy enough with it. I mean, I could do probably a few layers in the front and stuff, but I'm going to style it the way I style it, which is like back home and bouffant and everything. And I'm going to see how that sits, and then yeah, we'll go from there. But I'm happy enough with it. I mean, it's even enough. I mean, it's not like a professional did it or anything like that, but it's a lot of the dead ends are all gone, and now I just need to get some colour, and I'll be like a brand new woman. All right, that's it for today. Okay, bye. Oh, I thought you might like to see the carnage that is where I'm sitting right now with three mirrors actually. So yeah, and I've destroyed in her. Okay, so this is the setup. So 3 mirrors, my big mirror here, and then 2 of the girls' mirrors, 2 chairs and a step stool, and there are the and a bag to put the hair in, which I never did, and I am covered in here. But yeah, needs must and all. Okay. Bye. So the IKEA order arrived today, which is very exciting. Can't wait to get started. I'm going to show you all the stuff that arrived. The haul has loads, and there's some in the TV room. But I'm off out for drinks with my friend now, so I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, bye.